Found you. What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in. In today's video, I'll be replacing an evaporator coil for a Hoshizaki 2-door reach-in cooler. This unit's been leaking refrigerant for quite some time. I was able to pinpoint the leak. Fortunately, I didn't have to recover the refrigerant due to the fact that on the initial call, I used nitrogen and whatever remaining gas as a trace gas to locate the leak. I'm just unbrazing the two joints to remove the copper tubing from the evaporator coil. I did set a wet rag down just because of that foam underneath, and most of the insulation was cut back. I also like using a tubing cutter as a clamp to keep the insulation back. So the good thing about this Hoshi is that a lot of the panels are on keyholes, so you don't have to fully remove all the screws. You just gotta loosen it and then slide it to the larger opening. I've already unbrazed the two joints there. I just gotta slide it forward and pull down. So I got the old hardware and brackets transferred. On the original evaporator coil, it had rivets, so I'm using stainless steel screws here, and we have clearance. So that's the only thing, is just be prepared to drill out the rivets. So from this angle, you're not able to see this, but I ended up having to reach over to the bracket in the back, slid it out the way, and then as I slid the coil in place, I just brought that bracket back forward and then set the screw in place. Alright, we're about halfway done. This particular filter dryer comes with 1/4-inch stubs, and to eliminate the use of couplings, I pre-swage the ends with swaging bit. And for the nitrogen, I'm flowing it through the discharge side, and I left the valve core out on the suction port by the compressor. Alright, so I have it on the liquid port here. So the reason why I added this dryer with the port is because I want to see the true liquid go into the TXV versus tapping into the discharge side. And then so I got one single hose on the suction, and when I get ready to feed refrigerant, I'm going to go ahead and do it through the suction and then take off my micron gauge. Alright guys, unfortunately I had to continue the repair without the camera rolling. So that's going to conclude this video. It was a successful repair. I got it back online and it started up with no issues, ran just fine. And as always, be sure to like, comment, and if you're new here, subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching.